Welcome to the lesson on quantifying adjectives. Today, you will learn about useful words in English that describe amounts and quantity. Some, many, few, and several help us talk about how much or how many things there are in everyday situations. Understanding these words will make your English more natural and clear. Quantifying adjectives are words that describe quantity or amount. They answer questions like how much or how many. These words help you express if there is a lot, a little, or just some of something. For example, you might say some water or many books. The word some means an indefinite amount. It is more than zero, but does not tell how many exactly. You can use some with both countable plural nouns like apples or books and uncountable nouns like water or milk. Here are examples using some. You can say, I have some apples, or she bought some books yesterday, for countable nouns. For uncountable nouns, you can use some in sentences like, can I have some water, or he drinks some coffee every morning. The word many is used to describe a large number. It always goes with countable plural nouns. For example, you can say many students, many hours, or many days. Remember, do not use many with uncountable nouns. For many, you can say there are many students in the class. She has many friends, or do you have many books? Do not say many water or many milk, because these are incorrect. The word few means a small number. It often gives a sense of not enough. Use few with countable plural nouns. Some phrases include few students, few books, or few days. It usually has a negative feeling, showing that there is not a lot. Examples with few are there are few students in the class today, and I have few friends here. Few means only a small number and often not enough. Compare with some, which means any amount above zero and does not say if it is enough or not. The word several means more than two or three, but not a very large number. Use several with countable plural nouns. Some examples are several books, several people, or several weeks. Several is more specific than some and less than many. Some can go with both countable and uncountable nouns and means an unspecified amount. Many is used only with countable plural nouns and means a large number. Few is for countable plural nouns and means a small number, usually with a negative feeling. Several is also for countable plural nouns and means more than two or three but less than many. Be careful not to use many with uncountable nouns. Do not use few in positive situations. Do not mix up some and several. To practice, remember that many is only for countable nouns. Some works for both types. Use few for a small, often not enough number. Keep these rules in mind to make your English sound correct.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.